whole song and running on this bumper car. Watch your style. Watch the style. Return gangsters.
We never give up. Me, no want the girl them cuss me. I say, Ricky go good, but him not play the girl song. Big up the whole Sandz team. All the girls have one good vagina, say whoa. Prince, Mr. Girl. Mr. Girl. All of the girls that we can swear. So 3 months in a Sandz never fuck you one yet. Put up your hand in our ear. Prince, stop with the yellow man. All the girls that are independent, say whoa. You never know you have no bad problem, say not me. All the girls that are pretty that blood clot real life. Take a step for yourself, bro. Press me if you can. Press me if you can. Press me attention. Let me play some stuff for the girl before we leave. Hey! Look! All of the girls say all of your friends them look good. Walk up on them with a blood clot friend now. Ladies, we ready? Let me get them have some fun. Let me get them have some fun. Please. Be a gangster. Be a gangster. Be a gangster. Be a gangster. Every girl can go over and touch your blood clot too. Go. Ready? Watch it, girl. Marvin, the girl outside. The girl outside, Marvin. Energy. We're so fussed up in there. Hey! Please play some stuff together. Play some stuff for the girls right now. Ladies, you know what I mean? Here. At 2026, the girl in the fuck for free. Put up your blood clot man, ready? You know your phone. My girl in my phone, you remember? You remember? You remember?
Last night, fucking I get you on that night.
Shut up! Hello, you got about your blood clot single. I got a message for you. Florida? Who's from Florida? Look at man. Anybody from Atlanta? Anybody from Canada? Who's from Canadians? Anybody from the UK? Anybody from the UK? Hey! Lord the Prince! Lord! Where's my UK people at? My UK people, oi! UK people, oi! Don't go, you see we have international girls up here, English girls must have to. Anybody from DC, Maryland, Virginia, I might place that. Jesus Christ. The next place we want to bring up. You hear the British them say oi and all that stuff there. The place you want to bring up. All we have to say is, yeah! Anybody from New York City? From some York in our blood clot, me like independent bandits. We see the AC hotel this morning.
Just like a girl from Brooklyn.
I'm just
Ready up? I was taking like these like
I'm a song outlet. 30 minutes. All who still have someone drink, put them in drinking right here. The drink done? The drink done? Your drink done? Eh? Sandz still, the one crew. The drinks are not done. We are party. All who are drink, put up your drink in the air right now. And my national anthem, please. It's going to appear on 10 times. Put it up in the air right now, Prince.
What they must say was street vibes.
And my anthem. If you need to citizen, and my anthem this. Everybody go down in the air and say.
Party they just speak in some street vibes from
Go down in the air and say.
we can be open at the plastic.
Clear the up there.
Somebody get eyes, not nice. Get the mic, the ready, overproof it and it's
Everywhere we party, everywhere we party. People want to come make the Gaza man so happy.
Open on the club we go, that in the Yankee band. Say to me the world why not go, she not care if I was in love. See that I went fast and in a slow-mo. She get a party and in the limbo. Something that we can't see through. I jump, we are drink that street. My trust in the VA.
Winner man, come here. Look, take out the vocals now, Prince. People, 2026. Don't leave your head back, careless energy. Cause some boy I'm pushing a real life. Checkers! Don't leave your head back, careless. Now we have some people them bad mind. Them bad mind, you fuck. Me power with people who can defend me. Me the power with punk. I'm in the power with power. All you know say, everybody where you're power with right now can defend you. That's a million black in that bumper clap here. That's a Give me a man! Give me a man! featuring Ghost with the back dance. Pitch, catch, pitch, smack. Everybody will know I say you spend your own money. All who want to be alive in 2026. Put them in here. Put them on. Take out the vocals, man. Take out the vocals, man. People, we don't know we don't care what nobody wants to say. We don't care what nobody wants to say. Lord of Prince, me, Ricky Platinum, we're proud of myself. I don't know you're proud of yourself. Clap yourself. All who have ambition, clap yourself. When the Prince, all who know, say, you're going to make a commitment. Say you're going to make more money this year than last year. Must have been in that here right now. If you're not trying to make $1 million last year, how you not make it? Try again. Somehow they have a little craft mentality. The man never know say you ought to pick up a blood clot phone before you broke. Must have been nice.
Never give up, dog, we not stop trying. I forget no dog, the week one time, I'm in line and fuck dog.
You gotta pick up a blood clot phone.
Usually I don't come dog, and 8.5.
DJ the phone. Prince, me never go back and say shoot them up. Shoot them up. Let the people ever believe in yourself, dog. The next minute when they're on the next side. It simply means the same people that will clap for you are the same people that will boo for you. They are looking at a whole party. Anybody come from Mumbai must have looking at here right now. All of the family must have been looking in the sky and tell them the man.
Parties like a sponsor.
hello. Somebody say hello. Look, mix it again. February the 21st. Ricky Platinum book. Jamal Dunksman birthday party. All who make them own the money say hello. Somebody say hello. Jamaican say hello.
Regular deal, the funny color. Regular deal, we make it brand. What a crazy need, the brand. Yeah, I agree, the film up and the pattern. Regular life, and it's still a get knocked. Style of work, and believe the time I work, to reward. I dance for the good heart. Make you go for your camp and repeat. Dark, me have a hard time to read.
People, I mean them call Ricky Platinum. All who rap Ricky Platinum say hello. Somebody say hello. I'm messing with me even more right now. Let's play.